Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. We'll get this off. All right, so these are the stocks that kind of interest me most today. Got Apple, got the SPY, got Palantir, we got Tesla. Do I necessarily like any of these stocks for today? I don't know. Hey, good morning, Heidi. Good morning. Hey, Sir Swain, good morning, good morning. Hey, appreciate y'all dropping by, smashing that like button. I see we got 1 and 2. Okay, all right, all right, now they're coming in. Hey, good morning, good morning. Hey, Henry, good morning, good morning. Midterms over. Hey, glad to have you back. Hey, glad the struggle is over. Hey, I do not miss midterms. D Scurv, good morning, top of the morning. Hey, happy Friday. Hey, it's the last day of February. Let's end this month right. Paul, hey, what's up? Good morning. Did I say good morning, Mahishu, or did I just read that? Good morning, Mahishu. Good morning, Paul. Yeah. All right. Hold up. All right. So we're pretty break even on the Dixie. Yoko, good morning. Here, actually, let's take a look on the monthly chart. See how we're looking on the month. All right. So we're pretty red on the month. We made a new high, and now we're kind of selling off on the month. We are in a previous month's kind of demand zone, but. All right, so honestly, we could close anywhere. Like, even if we don't move, I feel like the market's satisfied. If there were any reason to go green, us going green would be if we close anywhere above like 592.75. But honestly, I think we're chilling. So looking at this EMA over here, honestly, nah. 590 is resistance. I think 595, about 595 is support. And yeah, we're in here. We're chilling. Oh, shoot. Okay. 24 viewers, 15 likes. Hey, we like the ratio. Like the ratio. It's looking good so far. All right, let's see. But yeah, my intention today is not necessarily like, I know we're selling off heavy, but I'm kind of looking at things, or we sold off heavy, kind of looking, Randy, good morning. Kind of looking at things and what I'm saying. I think today is going to be more of a day where I buy and like kind of swing into, I'll probably get not next week's expirations, but the week after. So, it'll be March the something 10th expiration that I go for today. My intention is to swing into next week, and I'm looking for calls. Now, I don't intend on holding it too many days, but I'm really thinking like we're going to get some kind of bounce from today. I just want to make sure we kind of hit a level that I feel like we can actually benefit. All right, made money on the NVIDIA earnings. Hey, I'm glad to hear it. Did you buy them before earnings or after earnings? Fubo might be good, be a good buy. It tanked a bit from earnings. So I personally, like, here, let's look at Fubo real quick. I got my alerts on Tesla. So Fubo, I actually put in an order this morning. It's a limit order, but oh, hold on, where we? I want to do that over here. So Fubo, I put in a limit order this morning because I'm still looking at it. Like I'm looking at everything like I still just see this huge gap. So I put in a limit order for about 300 shares at 150. And that was just in case anything wild happened. It doesn't look like anything wild happened. So I may end up canceling it, but I just want to make sure that it didn't happen during earnings and they didn't like dip down really quick. So Nah, it looks like they're holding up right now. It looks like they're selling off. I think Fubo's an okay buy, but yeah, I would much rather like see this gap filled first. But yeah, it's definitely something that my eyes are on. But yeah, there are a lot of things that I think are probably good, similar in a sense to Fubo as well right now. Oh, you said before, okay. All right, let's see. Flacco, good morning. Okay, where's Tim at? Let's see. Where is Tim? Okay, hey, it's in the money. It's in the money. Let's go. Okay. Wait, why do I have this down here? Why is this all the way down here? That should be like right there. Okay, let's see. Any thoughts on PMI data? Wasn't it, what was it? The PCE? Is that what you're referring to? Oh no, the PMI. Okay, I see what you mean. So thoughts on the PMI data is like, hey, wait and see. Once again, I'm just looking to buy dips. TGIF. Hey, good morning. Good morning. SoFi. I took a look at SoFi this morning. I like SoFi right now. I like it wasn't, once again, like these were the ones that looked like top setups, like ready. They're kind of like ready to go, like buy into. Or not to, actually Tempest looks like it might be potentially ready for a pop too, because this is kind of like a level of demand. So yeah, if they come down to about like 47, I'm probably not going to play Tempest, but they look ready too. But yeah, Palantir looks ready to me. Apple honestly looks kind of ready to me too. So I might take profit on my last runner. And then, what do we have down here? It was, oh, what were we looking at over here? Oh, it was Tesla. Tesla looked like it might have been ready too. But yeah, let's take a quick look at SoFi. All right, so yeah, SoFi, like it looks good. I like the price. I'm picking up shares today. Like I pick up shares of SoFi every day. But I'm kind of leaving it alone until it's here. Like options wise. You said SPY calls. Possibly. Don't forget it's the last day of the month though. So we got to see what the narrative is for the day. They also could be happy with where it is and things could not move. So understand, like, or at least the standpoint I'm coming from, any move I made today, I'm not necessarily expecting it to happen today. So you said KO back up in the after hours. So yeah, if we look at Coke has been, oh wait, hold up. Coke has been in a range. So yeah, the exact same range. So I entered the trade over here. It's been up as high as like 71, 75. Low is 70, 35. So honestly, right now, it looks like the move is to play the range. Like ideally, if we come back up to 71, 75, might grab some more, ride down to this level, take profits, or ride it halfway, take profits. I don't know. But yeah, that's kind of what I see with Coke. All right, yeah, I like that Apple's trying to start the day off with a little set. Ooh, what's going on there? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try to take a. Yo, should I go for profit at open? Like honestly, I was just trying to ride to 237. It did take a little bit longer than I was expecting. Nah, I'm cool with taking profit here, honestly. But also, like, what if today's the day where it actually like goes for the whole thing? It's a runner for a reason. We'll see. If it can hold this, as long as it holds below this like 237.50, I'll keep moving this little line down. Cynthia, good morning. What's your take on ARM? I already banked. Still have runners. We'll look at that in a second. Rodney, good morning. Always, but hey, yeah, 2 weeks out. What you think about Amazon dropping? So yeah, I think Amazon can drop a little bit lower. I looked at it. I don't like where it is. I don't want to get in on that trade though. It's like, it's not at an extreme enough where it's like, oh yeah, let me short it from here. I have one put left from the puts I took earlier this week. So yeah, I already took profit on the puts. I left a runner. So this is where we're at on Tesla. We're at a weekly, like right here, we're at a weekly trend line on Tesla. So Tesla, I might look to grab like a month of time. Honestly, we'll have to see. I probably want to get like a month and see like what's the best I can get with maybe like $1,000. We'll see. I'll have to look at it. And then ideally, like I can hopefully see if we can at least get a pop up to like 3 something. I don't know. So AMD, I still want to wait for AMD unless it comes down to the lower end. Like if it comes down to the lower end of that zone, yeah, and that's going to be around like 93, 94. But right now, not yet. But if I do look at AMD, it's not going to be, it would be in the Roth, and it wouldn't be like a short swing trade. It would probably be like not a full on leap, but it would be something for more time. Good morning, Mass 3RD. Creative Minds, good morning. Good morning, M-Sense. Top of the morning, young Lee. All right, let's, what was it you were trying to look at? You asked about ARM. Take a look at ARM real quick. So ARM. Here, let's go back to the weekly. Honestly, if you look at ARM, it's on the weekly. Oh, never mind. Forget that. So it's near a level of support. I personally wouldn't try to look at more downside. Right now it's still in a pretty large range from this 189 to the, here, let's go to the 4 hour actually. I mean, next demand zone starts at about 125, but I wouldn't play that down. I've messed with ARM options before, and that does not seem like anything I would want to do with that. All right, let's see. God lift me up every day. Good morning, good morning. I appreciate the positivity. Thank you for the positive message. All right, we're open. I didn't see anything about Trump speaking on tariffs. Okay, hold up. Palantir might. Oh no. Hold up. Something just went off. Oh, Lunar. All right, so Lunar just hit the weekly trend line. I'm not going to do anything with that, but I'm going to let y'all know. Yeah, just letting y'all know. Lunar has, oh, hold up. I forgot I was trying to take profit on Apple. Let's see. What was it, Moomoo? Oh, no, I wasn't. I said I was going to wait. But yeah, it's looking good. Apple's looking real good. Let's see. Yeah, we have some data in like 14 minutes. Samuel, good morning. Buy tanked a lot more yesterday. It's like when you say, right? Top of the morning, Julie. Top of the morning, ED Silver. Oh yeah, Tesla's getting ready. All right, I might have to. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, Tesla's crossing that line. Let's see. All right, I'm a little early. Like it could go down more. Like just know this could get a lot cheaper. But I'm gonna go for a. Did it go through? Oh, the spread on those are wide. All right, I'm not sure I got filled yet. Oh, okay, I got filled. So I got a Tesla call that expires March 28th. Here, let me just real quick. Okay, Apple just officially just got oversold as well. So here, let me drop down to a lower time frame on Apple. Whoa, that just bought up so quick. That was a quick wick. Hold up. Let me take profit on the Apple real quick. Let me get out of that. Oh yeah, that Apple ran though. All right. So I gotta update the family real quick on like 2 different messages. All right. So yeah, I bought a Tesla call that expires March 28th, and I paid $735 for it. It was a $320 call. That's going to be a swing, and I just took profit on the Apple puts. I sold out of the 240 Apple puts for $655. I think I initially got in those around like, my average cost was like $280 on those, but I think I initially got in at like 3 something. So cool. Next thing I'm looking for is probably a call on Palantir at this $78 level. Hold on, I see y'all chat. I just want to make sure I like communicate all this stuff to the Discord real quick. All right, let's see. Everyone just bought a $320 call on Tesla. It expires 3/28. Paid 7.35 per share. All right, and then everyone just took profit on final Apple runner. Sold out at I think it was like 655. Yeah, 655. Where are we at? There we go. All right, still watching the Palantir. Okay, and let me real quick, let's add that to the watch list as well. Where is it? Okay, so Tesla. Trade Tesla options, buy, call, March 28th. And I got the 320 call. And it's cheaper now. Hey, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Not too worried about it right now. All right. Oh, and we got some data in 9 minutes once again. All right. And good morning, Lucky J. Happy Friday. APLD is a fire sale. I'll have to check in with that. That NRG would have been good on that put. I put on a nice SMCI puts. Let's see what SMCI is doing. Oh dang. From here you wouldn't catch me doing puts on it. I would say like it's kind of in the middle of some things. So I wouldn't do puts, but I'm not going to say I'm against you doing them. Like I don't see anything that just yells no, but I don't see anything that yells yes either. So for me, I wouldn't do that. But I mean, it's like it's cool if you're riding the trend or if you're in puts, because it's like there is a clear trend. It's just I don't know when this is going to be exhausted. So here, let's actually pull up like a AMD up here or something. Okay. And go back to a 1 hour. All right. See smooth top of the morning. Yeah, Palantir, I'm still like I wanna see it down here. The day is still young. Sheldon, good morning. Think Baba will trickle. So I keep telling y'all I don't know. Like when it comes to, I think like over the span of a year, like yeah, Baba is going to keep moving up. Like Baba is a leap kind of play. But like here, let's zoom out. But honestly, I do not know about the way this thing moves well enough to, just the way it is with all these gaps and whatnot. I need to do more to kind of understand where it's going. Hey, peace and blessings, Oscar. I'm in Mara 13. March 7th put. So it was oversold. A lot of times whenever you go from oversold on the 4 hour, it'll try to make a move to being overbought. It looks like this 12 was a strong kind of area of support. So you said for the 7th. I personally think that you might have trouble, but also it's like on a short time frame, it's going down. But also like it's playing above the EMA right now. So this is about the time I'm looking for a reversal, like a short-term reversal on everything else. So I'm not sure how I fully feel about it. Here, I want to get in a little closer on Palantir. See if we can like make some moves down. Can you take a look at AMD? Oh, wait, did I not? I just had that up. Let's see. So AMD, it's like, I'm still watching AMD, but I still want to see it come lower. So yeah, I'm still very, very interested in AMD, but yeah, right now, I'm just like, not yet, not yet. Still waiting on AMD. Because AMD likes to be slow and move when it wants, so I'm still waiting on it. But yeah, last day of the month. Hey, we'll see how things play out. Here, let's actually also hold. Oh no, we still got. Hey, I want y'all to see the PCE closed at 874 or 0.874. Today could be a really bullish day as well. Yo, we'll see. We got news dropping in 4 minutes. Let's real quick. Yo, Chicago PMI, 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Okay, I see what you were talking about with President Trump speaking. I feel like I did not see that earlier. Oh yeah, that definitely was not on there earlier. Because look, this is my other tab from earlier. President Trump's not on there. That's why I didn't know what you were talking about. But now they got it on there. It's interesting how they just tried to slide that in there. Oh, hold up. Let's go back. Okay. Yeah, let's let me watch Palantir on a 5. Like, I really like it at these levels. Honestly, like, it doesn't necessarily have to come down here. I still like Palantir. No, I did not sell Coke, but honestly, like, to those of y'all that like want to sell Coke, yo, there's nothing wrong with taking profits. Anybody who bought when I did should be up on it. Like, even while it's in this range. Like, Coke has been in a range, it hasn't got out of the range yet, and I still see a fall coming, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm in Coke. And let's see how the contracts are doing. So yeah, I'm still up 18% on those Coke contracts. All right, let's see. Dorothy, good morning. SPY support at 583.41. Yeah, I won't be met. Yeah, I might go for this Palantir call as well. Let's see. Oh, they're kind of pricey. Maybe not. Yeah, I might leave that alone for now. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the Palantir alone. Let's see. Yeah, let me turn on live chat because some of these messages are jumping around. Okay. Calls on Coke? No, I have puts on Coke. Yeah, Coke. It's like Coke is legit at all-time highs. I'm not going to grab calls while it's at all-time highs. Here, I'm gonna stop paying attention to Palantir because I don't think I want to put my budget towards that right now. Matt, you mentioned a Tesla call at 320. Can you? This is the call I got. Oh, it's doing pretty well. This is the call I got. This is just a watch list. I didn't get it at 688. I got it at like 735, but I'm just trying to ride a Tesla pop. Tesla is at a weekly trend line. I think Tesla can at least make a move back up to this this weekly 13 EMA at the least. I mean, it may not be this week, maybe a couple weeks, but let's say from where it is, say it goes up to let's say it goes up to 350. That's at least $2,300 profit, assuming that I ride it to expiration. All right, breaking news. Trump administration must Doge plan to fire nearly all CFPB staff and wind down agency employees say. All right, so it looks like we might be kind of buying up from here a little bit. Let's see. All right, I just got a package delivered. All right, let's see. Oh, I play Roblox. Hey, good morning. Good morning. What is the best way to tell that an option contract is too high? It's like whenever you know, like whenever you see it and you know the prices. I don't know. So like, it's like whenever you look at things. Here, I got a video. Here, let me drop the video. So it's going to be kind of about it's going to be about understanding options pricing anyway. And a lot of people like to say, "Oh, what about the other two Greeks?" I personally don't mess with those, so that's why there's nothing on them. And then I don't know anybody, never met anybody who does. But here, let's get that, share that in there. I'm gonna say that should help you understand the options pricing a lot more. I mean, Tesla looks like it's off to a good start. Yeah, Palantir's prices look a lot higher than yesterday. Hey, people must know there's a turnaround going around or about to happen. I'm like, nah. Yeah, because I was just gonna go like a week out, and the ones for next week they're way too high. Let's see. Your time is appreciated. This helps with the wider view. Hey, no worries, no worries. Appreciate you stopping by. Welcome very much, big time. Appreciate you being a part of the family. Okay. Yeah, I guess now we wait. Oh, hold up. We got the data. Okay, we can even see the PCE too. Hold up. Let's all right, so we're up here. If it doesn't happen today, like if this PCE continues to rise today, or if it stays up here today, just know that next week at some point we are going to get bought up, and we're going to get bought up hard. So also, hold up, just a thought. Okay, Apple is up here at resistance. So Apple, this is either a good level for a short, or if we go through and like we break, you might be able to ride Apple up to this 240 level. I don't know. Nah, I don't like the movement enough to really have that. But Silvio, good morning. Lucky J jumped in some MPW $6 call lottos. Here, let's look at that. Just let's see how MPW is doing. Oh, sheesh. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. Let me. Are they halted? That's interesting. Oh, you spent $10 on it? I think it's going up just so it can trap. That's how they like to. Hey, it sounds like you got a pretty good grasp on the market. Sounds like you got a pretty good grasp on the market talking like that. I did the 3:30 call on Tesla. Get in where you fit in. Once again, like when I was talking about the Tesla here, actually, yeah, we still gotta. I don't think this trend line is that relevant anymore. We can forget that, but like here, let's like on the 4 hour. I could see us coming up here today, like to this like 295, and like if you give it a couple weeks, I think we could get up here. Let's say like 340 or 350. So I think that can end up being in the money. Just might take a little time. I think the Tesla. I think the Tesla was good. I'm very happy with that. I almost feel like I should have bought another one. Timothy, good morning. Good morning. Ooh. Oh, I want to look at Meta, actually. Meta is, oh, dang, it sold off even more. Yeah, Meta is approaching some things here. Yeah, I'm glad I held off. I would like to see Meta come down a little more. Like, I don't know what needs to happen, but if anything could happen to get Meta in this box or to this level. Yeah, Tesla is high in price. Hey, it is what it is. That's just where I thought that's just where I thought the money would best be utilized. Oh, let me set an alarm. Set alarm for 11:30 a.m. Cool. All right, let's see. Yeah, that works too. Yeah, the TSL and or TSLL, that works too. What about Q? So QQQ, I was looking at it and it was it wasn't as clear to me as the SPY. Like the SPY, I'm like, oh yeah, this zone is clear. Whereas the Qs, it was like, I don't know, I don't trust it because it's like everything is chilling just outside this demand zone, and then like the next one is like way down here because this isn't really a demand zone. So I felt uneasy about this Qs this morning, so I just skipped over it. Because anytime this is like if I can't just clearly chart it and know what's going on, I just move on to the next thing. That is the most I ever spent on a contract. That's how. Oh, hey, don't put that all in me. It's just like the confidence should come from all the confluences. All right. So first off, this is a weekly time frame. So this is a higher frame of reference. So usually the higher time frames are stronger. All right. The second off, but also like whenever I called that Tesla going to 300, it was because it was bouncing off this trend line. It was because it bounced off this trend line, and I think it was because it was breaking this level or something, actually. I don't remember exactly, but there was like a break here and it had just bounced and it had momentum. So I think that is what I was talking about. All right, and then, oh yeah, other reasons. Yeah, trend line, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Then this, we got a weekly demand zone, which is an area where there should be strong buying. And then, yeah. So once again, I do want to say, this could come as low as like 220, and I would still be okay riding the trade. But ideally, it holds up here, and we let it keep moving. What do you think SPY will do today? Looking for a short if. Okay, so once again, looking at like the PCE, looking at I would say the Dixie and the PCE tell two different stories. The Dixie, actually it's a little bit up. It's not even like crazy up. But the PCE tells the story of like, hey, we need some relief. We need to like get this ratio like kind of settled. So whatever it takes to get that PCE ratio down, like instead of being up here, maybe to like even the 70s or the 60s. I think there is going to be a big buy day. And I personally think it'll either be today or it'll be Tuesday. That's just my assumption, but you never know. Sonia, good morning. Been trying to sell 2 positions that are expiring today, but the sell keeps being canceled. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if you've been trying to sell it for multiple days, here, let's look at it. Let's go to a random options contract. So if I were, okay, yeah, let's actually look at that one. All right, so, wait, can I? All right, so let's say we're looking at this options contract, right? And I want 1 contract. The limit price is 1. All right, or let's say I'm actually on the sell side instead of the buy side. And let's say I'm trying to sell this 700 call, and the bid is 0 and the ask is 0.01. Just know that even though it says your contract is worth $1, if there is no one bidding there, if the bid price is 0, your order is not going to get filled because there is no one bidding on it. And then let's say you had a price of like, let's say you try to sell it for like 50, or even if you try to, like, say I put in an order to sell right now, Robinhood's going to say, I'm going to get like $1.04 for the trade or whatever. It's going to cost me $1.04. But if, what was I going to say? But if I try to sell it, it's not going to get filled because there's no one there to buy it. So the order is just going to keep canceling because there's no one there to buy it. So if there's no one there on the other end to buy it, it's likely just going to expire worthless. If that's the situation of your contract. What sounds like a good faith violation? Oh, you're talking about about Sonya's situation? Honestly, the whole market is, you said Palantir's iffy. So I would count on things. I'm leaning towards things going up. I'm leaning towards us either like chilling here or things going up. Kind of looking at things. You're welcome. And I'm happy you understood that. Yeah, it can be very frustrating. It can be a very frustrating thing though. All right, well, here, let's look through some stuff. All right, so Qs. Okay, the Qs are oversold. And maybe this ends up just being liquidity, and maybe it does get bought up to like 110 or something. Nvidia, not quite. Apple, here they come with the vacuum. Amazon, still not yet. Appreciate that, Sonia. Okay, Google, oversold on the 4. How are we looking on the weekly? Yeah, I think it's safe to say that Google call is dead. Very, very dead. TTD. Still got, I got 2 months on that. We're chilling. We're chilling. I got enough time. It's actually holding up pretty well. Josh, good morning. Good morning. Wait. Until, oh wait, hold up. Let's. What on earth happened yesterday? Stocks went down. You take a look at Coke again. What do you want to look at? This is the range on Coke. Coke is pretty range bound right now. There's not too much going on beyond that. Yeah, honestly, until it passes one of those levels, one of those blue lines, there's nothing for me to look at. I will say anybody who got in when I got in, you should be in profit. And if you're tired of being in that trade, like taking profits is an option. But yeah, there's really nothing to expect from Coke between these levels. Saw AMD went below 102. Yeah, now actually, yeah, that's a good one to take another look at. Okay, it's still kind of just holding up for now. For Palantir, do you have a certain point you were looking for it to cross? I was wanting it to cross like 78 for me to look at something to the upside, but I don't like the price of the Palantir contract, so I'm not going to do anything with Palantir. Wait, let me look at Tesla on the weekly again. Okay. Paulisa, good morning, good morning. What caused the drop yesterday? I don't know what caused the drop, but I do know I was talking about the Dixie, the US dollar being off with where the market was, and I said one of them had to catch up to the other. So in my eyes, that's what happened. But when it comes to like what actually happened beyond what I just said, I have no idea. Intel is waking up. Intel's just in a range I wouldn't want to do anything with, but on the 4 hour, it looks good. It's still in the downtrend though, so don't get whopped. Because if you look at the 4 hour chart and look at these wicks, it's now starting, like above this point would be a wick. And you could see we got a wick up here, wick up here, wick up here. And now this would be a wick as well. So unless you get like a true breakout, this would be more of an area to go for downside than upside. So maybe instead of it waking up, maybe it woke up and it's like getting ready to go back to sleep. You said, I thought Trump talked yesterday. I think Trump did say some stuff. But yeah, Trump's going to say a lot of things, so it's like I'm at the point where I'm not necessarily trying to keep up now. And it's like, yo, if I see, hey, we're at the next level, I'm like, yo, let me just lock in the profit, because you know, anything could happen. It's like ideally it would just sail smoothly and follow the trend, but nah, this is about to be a roller coaster. You know what? I did see like a lot of people going off about Trump and tariffs, but honestly, it's hard for me to know what's less like new and what's been around, unless I'm just watching like the news or something. Does Trump speak to Zelensky today? I think I saw it on the news. Uber is trying to climb. Let's look at Uber. See where Uber's coming from. I kind of feel like I need to sleep. It's like it just kind of rushed over me. I think I wore myself out this morning. Let's see. Yeah, Uber's trying to move a little bit. I feel like I don't know. Like once again, I'm still leaning towards us going up. But I also feel like they're either trying to like let it chill, let the market chill for now. And run it later, or they're just going to keep it here the rest of the day. It's only been 37 minutes. Wow. How do I see how much time? It's been 54 for me. CrowdStrike, is CrowdStrike in an uptrend? I think it depends on what time frame you look at. That's going to be a no on the downtrend, or on the 4 hour though. It's a no on the 1 hour as well. I mean, it might be on not even on a 30, not a 15. I'm gonna go as far to say no, it's not an uptrend. What AMD call you? I want to see if AMD can pull back more. So my thing is with the market, okay? Let's see. Here, let's actually look at AMD. So with the market, okay, so I think AMD is going to take its time. That's kind of my take. I am willing, so if we zoom out on AMD, we can see that, like, I have it drawn back to November of last month or last year, but AMD on the weekly has been in a downtrend since March of 2024. Dang. It's hard for me to fight this. I feel like a baby. Oh, real quick, I'm gonna do a quick check-in on the watch list page. Okay. So yeah, looking at AMD, has been in a downtrend since March of 2024. It's something that's hard to break. If we look at kind of its latest trend, this latest trend has been going since November of 2024. And it's every time it's come to this trend line, it's gotten kind of battered down. AMD will do this thing where it consolidates in a range and doesn't go anywhere. So if we look at where it is currently, it's been riding this to the downside. And if it kind of consolidates or stays in this range until it crosses over, then I don't know, this shows me that there is still time. So like, I think the moves on AMD, like, you could get moves to the upside, but if I'm going to get a move on a higher time frame, like, I still see moves like this, like, in the short term happening for AMD, like little ups and downs. And ultimately, I think I see it coming down to the bottom of this zone. And maybe that happens over here when they finally break out and start, like, kind of going for it. So yeah, that's why I'm like not necessarily too ready for it. Like, if we look at AMD on the weekly, it's not like necessarily oversold or anything. It's not like it just doesn't like the upside from the RSI being up here to me looks like it's this 113 level, which is a good level to ride to, but right now there are other things I would like target. I'm here. Oh, you said since the market opened. Sonia now is saying I have insufficient buying power when I have $800 in assets. So there is look at Tesla go up. There is what is it? Here, let me look at it. So I don't know if you have any orders in. If you have any orders in, it's not going to work. If it's, I don't know how to explain that to you. But yeah, it's like, if you have 800 in assets, your assets, part of your assets are your stocks. So your buying power is what's available to you. So if we look at Robinhood right here, like right now, this account has $2,912 in assets, but the buying power is 137. If we look at everything, the individual cash is 137. That's buying power. let's also, here, let's go over here. Yeah, I don't really know. Do not know. Yeah, I would say if you want a better explanation, your best bet is going to be to actually message Robinhood, but I can't exactly show you. SoundHound? Oh yeah, that's a good move. Good little move. Yeah, like, I'm telling y'all, I feel like today is going to be, I feel like they're going to buy things up today. Well, if they're going to do it today, I feel like they're either going to do it today or they're going to do it on, or Tuesday, more than likely. But so, wait. Check out Roblox and Mara. All right, y'all, I'm gonna be real. Ooh, shoosh. Shoosh. Yeah, that would, I mean, it's all right. Let's look at it on a weekly. Oh, it's still kind of up there. Okay. That's not one I necessarily would have traded, but hey, that's good. And then Mara. Oh, it's still going for it. Wasn't is Mara the one you were looking at, M-Sense? I'm looking at Tesla on the 1 hour. It's at the middle of a Bollinger Band. Looks at resistance. March 7th call. I mean, if you're in a call on Tesla, there is a demand zone. It's or a supply zone. It's approaching like right here. At the level it's at the edge of a supply zone. So from where I entered at 275 to where it is now, honestly, that is a great move on Tesla. You don't get moves like that every day. So if you got shorter time, you should be up percentage-wise pretty good. So honestly, if you have less time, you probably shouldn't be riding it too much further than this. Or I would say riding it further than this is like very greedy. So hey, be aware that Star Swing took profit on that Tesla and want to take off, or as soon as you took profit, hey, it'd be like that. It's just one of those things. But hey, I heard some good stuff. You took profit. Hey, this is that much less work you got to do. Hey, call most of them, pick up, and I'll explain it to you, especially Moomoo. Oh, you said they're getting tired of you. That's funny. When buying, where do you look for the RSI to be? So RSI is not the only thing I look at, but ideally, if I'm buying for upside, it'll be cool if it's below 30. That's cool. And if I'm looking for downside, it's cool if it's above 70. That just helps make me feel better, but that's not a must. Right now in this current market is like, yo, let's hold up. In this current market, it's like, yo, let's get them both happening. Let's see both of those things happen, or I prefer to see that. I can be a little bit pickier right now because everything's moving like crazy, but sometimes I drop my standards when there's not as many things around. Hey, good morning, Chase. It's the last day of, yes, it is. That it is. I think it was a good month. It was a cool month to me, but it may not have been to you, my man is sleepy. Yeah, I'm over here like talking. I'm like, yo, what was I saying? And yeah, it's like I feel it. I'm definitely gonna have to take a nap after this. But I think I actually have a meeting after this too. So And I'm supposed to move today, and then I'm actually supposed to be up pretty late tonight. Oh, it might be a long day. It might be a long day. I'm gonna be real. The stream is probably gonna be a little shorter today too. I gotta like move and stuff too today, or like start that process. Still got a little bit more I need to do. Hopefully I can actually do some moving today. Yes, but I'm out. Took a loss on, oh dang. Sorry to hear that. You had like what was it, a 14? Yeah, Mara is going kind of crazy, I think. I took that on TSLL. Good stuff. Late with my thumbs up. Hey, yeah. If for some reason you're here and you haven't got your thumbs up in, you hadn't smashed the like button, hey, what you waiting for? You need a tutorial? Because I got you. Low key, I might have to make a tutorial on my channel on how to smash the like button. I wonder if you think people would actually watch that video. I'm like, yo, to those of you that don't know how to smash the like button on YouTube, then I just like screen record and show y'all how to smash the like button. Show y'all different angles. Show y'all the different effects. You know, sometimes there's an animation there sometimes, show you the different like experiences. Show you what you're missing out on. All right, when do you think the market as a whole will reverse this bullish trend or bearish trend? So I personally think next month is going to be a bullish month, but I think on the year, we're going to pull back some more. So if we were looking at the SPY here, like on the week, wrong chart. If we were looking at the SPY on the weekly, so you can see all this time we were kind of like, you can see there is like this up, down, up, down, up, down. And honestly, we kind of like slowed down, but we're still like going up, then down, then up. Now we're coming down. I think we're about to start having lower lows than coming up. So I think now it's going to look more like maybe we get something like this was our high over here. We come up. All right, this is our new high. Then we come in and make a low. Then we get a new high. Then we come in and make a low. And then I think this might kind of be our bottom. That's kind of my assumption right now. It could get lower, but I think this area might be our bottom. And then maybe we start moving more like this instead. But this is a weekly chart, so then it might take some time. But also, I feel like things, sometimes we run a lot faster. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah. But if we look at each one of these candles being a week, this could take a long time. Like this right here is December of this year. So if we follow this perfectly, which I didn't do any kind of special equation or anything, I just kind of drew it, we would bottom in June. And there is this thing, they say sell in May and go away. So the market typically kind of trends down in the summer. So that's something that would kind of like fall in line. But I would say last time our market kind of looked like that was over here in 2023. We kind of had that same pattern. And then after, we went crazy. So it's like, I think next month is going to be good and green. But I don't know. All right. Wait, hold up. I think I missed some. All right, Apple resistant level. It would be support. The next support level Yeah, it's gonna be like 235, 233. Yeah, those would be the next two. I was 23. Oh, okay. Hey, cool. All right, my long-term plays got hit, but I picked up shit. Hey, that's how it goes. And been catching plays on puts. I remember you said at $24 was a demand. So I'm not sure here. Let's see how that ended up going. Or a supply zone. Here, when did you say that to me? Yeah, I think it was like coming up here. And then it like gapped above and then it sold off. So no, hold up. I feel like I sent you a picture. I'll have to look. Oh yeah, Tesla's up 40%. Hey, to anyone in Tesla who took the exact one I did, if you're nervous or anything, set your stop loss. Cause that's I used to make whatever Tesla is up in right now. That's what I used to make in a week. You said you watch a video on how to smash that like, but I might have to do it just for the fun of it. Let's see. All right, let me find Chase on here. Okay, I see it. All right, I gotta see. Did I not send the screenshot? I guess I was just looking at it. I was going to send you a screenshot, but okay, I can't even say exactly what I was going to say. Because I see a supply zone right here at this area. It's in a demand zone right now. That might be I don't know though. So here, yeah. What were we looking at up here? Let's pull Coke back up. All right, it's closer to the bottom half of the range. I just saw I was up on it. All right. Hold on. Dang, okay, Hakeem, smash the like. Yes, smash the like button. For the Tesla call, are you targeting a specific take profit? I'm not riding till expiration, know that, but I think there is more upside to be had. Like right here, oversold. I would like to ride the RSI to at least 50 on the 4 hour. At least 50. I think it's like my intention is to ride it into next week, but if it goes crazy today, hey, maybe I just go ahead and take the profit, and we'll see. But honestly, like it'll probably have trouble getting above like 295. So I would say kind of below that, or I would say kind of before that or at that level. It's like if you're not willing to like ride a pullback, that's a good place to kind of get out. I think that would go viral, how to smash a like button video, or need one, just 1 in 5. Hey, Chidi, good morning. Vincent, good morning. Hey, appreciate the sun. Lucky J. All right. Am I in any trades? I grabbed a 320 call on Tesla. So yeah, there's this right here. I can show y'all my I think I can. Let me see. Let me look. All right. Let's see if it'll let me share it. It won't let me do it with Robinhood, but let's see if it'll let me do it on Moomoo. All right, so all right, these are the trades I'm in. So we got this call on Tesla right here. This Apple puts close. This is my call on TTD. And yeah, this is the Google call that honestly, I should probably, can I still sell this? What's this for next week? Nah, I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna leave it. And then I got some Weight Watchers. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm at. Let's see. Oh, you said it's Moomoo. I'll call him. All right, thanks. Hey, welcome, Prince. Do I think Walmart's going up? I mean, Walmart's not one I watch like that. So Walmart, I don't know if you're one of the people who asked yesterday, but we drew this on Walmart yesterday. It's still riding this trend line, so it's like I think it's going to continue to ride the trend line. It doesn't necessarily have to go up right now, but I think it's going to continue to ride in this range until it's broken. All right, let's see. I love when my long term get hit. Hey, that's what you do. Hey, Matthew, I think I sold out of the Apple put for like $6.55, so that's not like too much more. No, I sold out for $6.54, so I'm not tripping too much about the $16 difference. It's like it's cool. Like it's cool that it went higher, but it's also like I don't have to think about it. So now if I wanted to take a nap right now, I can leave and take a nap right now and feel okay. What are your thoughts on VST? I have no thoughts on this. Yeah, at these levels, I don't have any thoughts on it. Y'all said that was a Nancy play, right? I still don't have any thoughts on it. Like, yeah, none at all. It just sold off. It's in a downtrend. Honestly, if it comes back up here to this 153 up to 162 area, that looks like an interesting short right there, because it's in a downtrend on this current time frame. I'm in Tesla. Too bad I sold 2 of the contracts before, but hey, no worries. Hey, profit is profit. That's the name of the game. Profit is profit. It's cool. SPGC. What is that a ticker? What is SPGC? That sounds like a pump. Yeah, I'm leaving that alone. That looks like a no-go, mate. Row from... Nice. Intel shooting up. Hey, that's good. Good for Intel. Okay, yeah, they're currently above a trend line. They're also currently at a level of resistance. So yeah, if they were to break this level of resistance, then they could really be on. But kind of have to see. And let's see if they confirm above that. I'm not going to be around to see if they do, but hey. Is it a good time? I mean, I think there will be a better time to pick up Elite, but it's like, yeah, it's in a demand zone. So if it doesn't go any lower, yeah, I just want to wait to do it. So I'm not picking up one right now. I think it could still come lower. I think it could come about $7 lower. I don't think it'll happen fast, but I think it'll still come lower. Oh, no worries, M-Sense. Can't see what. Think KO will be at 69 next week. I very well think it's possible. It just, honestly, it just needs to stop consolidating. I'd like to see it today. Like if the market continues to go up, like Coke can come down. Like if we can get people to leave this kind of flee to safety mindset, which actually I'm not very sure that that'll happen. We can see Coke come up. Wasn't here yesterday. How was your birthday celebration? It was chill. Like the actual celebration, the day was confusing, cause my wife like made a cake, and then like I was under the impression that she had things planned for me, so I didn't do things, or I didn't like there was more that could have happened that didn't, and I was just like, I'm like, what's going on? Cause she was making the cake. She was like, oh yeah, I'm going to be busy making the cake and stuff, and I'm like, yo. And then like by the time it was actually time to get stuff done, she had to go to work. So I was like, oh, okay. So in the evening we like had the cake. I thought she had like organized the people that were going to be there. I was like, oh no. Oh, it's like we had talked to people. I'm like, oh dang, okay. So I had to shoot the invite to a couple people that live over here, and then we just had cake, chill. But nah, I had a good time. I took my car. I went a few places myself. Got some stuff for the desk. Got some clothes. You know, it's always good whenever I like going places on my own. I don't get to do it enough. So it was chill. Here, let's see. Rolls Royce. Why are we talking about Rolls Royce? Why are we talking about that? Tesla option, way up, good. Appreciate that, Wellington. Good morning. What happens if the Google Play expires to 0 to you? Yes. That's all that's going to happen. It's just going to be worthless, and yeah, it just goes worthless. What trades are you in? So I just pulled that up. If you go back a few minutes, you'll see that I like shared my phone screen. It's like right now I'm in a Tesla call. I am in a put on Coke. I am in a Google call. I want to say, here, let's see. Might be these. Let me clear them out. I'm not in that anymore. I'm gonna close that one out. I'm not even in that. All right, so this is what I'm in. Oh, actually, I'm not even in that. All right, so this is what I'm in. All right. Let's see. When you're showing your screen on the other window, oh, it didn't? That's weird. Hold on, let me see the settings I have for OBS. Wait. Oh yeah, that's weird that it here, let me That's so weird. Okay, I can see. Yeah, you can't see it. It's just my phone moving. Let me see if I try to go to something else on my phone. Oh, that's so weird. Here, let me go to another app on my phone real quick. See if that shows. Let's see if, let's try to open Duolingo. Let's see if that shows. Oh, that's wild. It just doesn't show at all. Okay. Wow. Okay. It shows everything that happens on this screen. But here, let's see if I brought up a random photo. Let me pick a random photo. I'm gonna get a throwback. Let's see what we got in here. I'm gonna just slide the camera roll over, see if that goes up. Oh, that's so interesting. Y'all can't see that. Hold on, let me check this setting real quick. Oh, it's on the application, that's why. Okay, I thought it was on screen capture. Okay. Oh, no worries. Okay, that makes sense. We'll just leave it like that. All right, well, now I know. Okay. Question, if you see a gap on a larger time frame, but it's touched on a lower time, do you still, depends. Honestly, it really depends. Like the gap, like sometimes, I don't know. It's like, it depends. It's like, I want to, like, if a gap's not filled on the weekly, I want to see it filled. If a gap's not filled on the 4 hour, I want to see it filled. But like, if there's a gap on the daily, I don't think it necessarily needs to be filled. As long as it's filled on the weekly. Like, as long as it's filled on the weekly, I don't think it's a problem. I want to put a call in on Robinhood. Which one should I do? What do you think's going to go up? Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so I legally cannot tell you what you should do. I just share what I do. I'm sharing my journey. But no, I can't tell you what to do. It's like, I can show you how to do things or show you how I do things, but no, yeah, I can't tell you what to do. The ticker Rolls Royce is holding. Let's see. What is their ticker? Ricey. It's like oversold. I want a lot of different time frames. That's not my kind of stock, but I would be enticed to take a short. I'm not going to take a short, but I am enticed by the idea of a short on that. Matthew, I am relatively new, but have been watching most of your videos, if not all. How do I choose between Webull, TradingView, and Robinhood? So TradingView this is just for charting. This isn't I don't actually trade on this. TradingView is not a brokerage. It's just like, you can trade using it. I don't trade using it. So if you had Robinhood or Webull, you would connect through this to do that. And if you want to do that, you'll probably have to go to another channel to get that tutorial. But TradingView is different. This is for charting only. Whereas Webull, I personally do not use Webull anymore, but I would say their charts are good. Hold on, my wife texted me. I'm on call about something. Hold on, y'all. I gotta check some emails and stuff. All right. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, but Webull is it's chill. The reason I stopped using Webull was that they tried to take my ability, or they wanted me to start paying for live quotes. And I was like, nah, there are too many platforms that give it away for free. Hold on one second. I am going to mute my mic. Let's see. All right, let's see. Calling it a day here, ending green. Hey, good stuff. Refresh all streams. If scam likely called you, I was a few minutes behind. Oh, no, yeah, I get scam likely calls all day. All day. I low-key need to get another phone number. I'm probably going to do that pretty soon. How are we looking on the Tesla chart? Any sign of a pullback? So, yeah, Tesla can pull back here pretty soon, but I got a month of time for a reason. Like, once again, this is a weekly trend line as well as a demand zone. So I would like to see Tesla get to at least 340. Will I ride it that far? I don't know. It'd be cool to like ride it to the money as well, but I think there's a larger move here. But I don't think we necessarily get that larger move without any pullbacks. But I do know that Tesla can move pretty quickly. So yeah, I feel like I would like to at least see Tesla get to this supply zone right here. Let's see, like this one right here. That would be a little bit more ideal for me, but we'll see. So I'm probably going to swing it over the weekend. It's an ADR. It's a buy and hold for me. I know Boeing gets bad reputation, but never hear anyone. Yeah, they got they're supposed to be known for their quality. Hey, no problem. All right, y'all. So I gotta go help my wife deal with this move-in stuff. So I'm going to end the stream now. Right now, I'm still feeling pretty bullish. That's my take. But yeah, that's going to do it for today. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Have a blessed weekend. I intend on riding this Tesla out. But yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, all. Chase, Jesus Saves, M Sense, Mahishu, Josh. I appreciate that, Josh. Peace out, Yoko, Blair. Peace out, Lisa. Peace out, D Scurv, Lucky J. Josh. Hey, peace out, Mass 3DRC. Oh yeah, hey. If y'all look at the chat, M Sense has a little dare for y'all. He dares y'all to smash the like button before I leave. Hey, y'all got a couple seconds. Peace out, Cynthia. Peace out, Wave. I'm a wave. Peace out, Skylar. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Dr. Modified. Peace out, Jarvo. Peace out, C Smooth. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Oh, peace out, Timothy. All right, that's gonna do it. Peace. Bye, family. Have a great weekend.